Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the OLSP Academy Magic Link Email List Building Training, and it is a really excellent training. If you have any interest at all in building an email list and email marketing, then you're gonna love watching this video and what I have to share with you. And it is super important. You always hear about the saying, the money is in the list, in your email list. And that is true. And that's been true for a long time. And I think that'll continue to be true for a long time as well. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Love to have you join my other subscribers and also to keep getting new content. So what is OLSP Academy? If you're not familiar with it, here we are inside my OLSP account. And when you log in, this is the dashboard that you'll see. Now, I have other videos that talk about all the other parts of OLSP, so I'm not going to go in depth about any of those today, because today we're just talking about the list building training. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below, and you just click on it, and it is going to take you to a sign-up page. And so if you click on that link in the description below, it'll take you to a sign-up page, or opt-in page, that'll look something like this. They rotate them frequently, so if I refresh the page, you should see another one come up. But the bottom line is you want to go ahead and just put your email address in, click Start Earning Now, and it'll basically create a free account in OLSP Academy. So again, today we're focusing on the email list building training. And so if I click on this link, it is going to open up this page. And it is going to go through a few short videos that talk about how to build your email list and then to use what they call the magic link to earn commissions anytime someone clicks on your magic link. And so I just encourage you, the first thing you need to do in order to access this training, you need to have your free OLSP Academy account set up. So if you don't have one, click the link down below in the description box. Again, it'll take you to this page, put in your email, opt in, and you'll get a free account set up. And then just click on this list building training link, and it'll take you here. So watch this video where Wayne does an overview of what the magic link is. You can join their Facebook group. You can also register for a live web class for some more training. And then just click down here, go to step number 1. Step number 1, he's going to take you through the 3-click setup, how to quickly and easily create a squeeze page, to capture leads, how you can do that very simply and easily. Just click here and it'll take you to that software that does that for you. Then go on to step 2. And here he's going to show you how to connect your email autoresponder to that squeeze page that you just built. And this is how you're going to build your email list inside your email autoresponder. So you need to connect that to your squeeze page. Very easy to do. Wayne walks you right through it. Here's you can get your free autoresponder account, so you can get that set up and connected to your squeeze page. And then go to step 3, where he talks about how to make commissions and how you can instantly monetize all your traffic by using this magic link. And so this magic link, when people click on it, you're either going to earn a flat rate commission, which right now is 30 cents per click. So that's pretty cool, because usually when people click on a link, you don't earn anything unless they purchase something. Here, you're going to earn 30 cents just because they click on your link. Now, that magic link will take them to either another affiliate offer, which they can then purchase something, and you earn another commission if they purchase something. So, and Wayne explains it all in this video, so make sure you watch this. And then, when you click on this button, Start Earning Commissions, that's going to get you access to your own magic link URL and the magic link training that you need. And also you're going to get 100 free clicks. When you click on this button, it's going to take you to a checkout page where you're going to get the magic link for $47. And so that'll get you the magic link and the training to set it up, plus 100 bonus clicks of solo ad traffic. Now, for reference, if you go over to Wayne's solo ad traffic sales page, and we'll scroll down, you'll see his pricing. 100 clicks normally costs $99 for 100 clicks. And so you're going to not only get access to be able to earn commissions through the magic link and the training to set it up for $47, but you're also going to get 100 solo ad clicks, which normally would cost you $90. So you're getting a 50% discount on the solo ad traffic clicks, but also on the magic link. And in that training, so if you click here, I'm inside, you'll go through, it'll give you your magic link, and then it'll take you through the video series of how to set that up so you can start earning commissions. And that's in this training area. Okay. And again, you're going to get 100 clicks included with your purchase of that magic link for just $47, or half price, when you purchase your magic link and your email list building training today. So this is what I would encourage you to do. Again, go click the link in the description box down below. That'll take you to one of these opt-in pages. Again, it might look different because they're frequently split testing these. There you go. See, there's a different colors, and a little bit of verbiage is different, and so it'll look a little different depending on which one you land on. But don't worry about it. Just put your email address in, click the Give Me Access, and that will automatically create a free OLSP account for you. And once you log into your free OLSP Academy account, go to this link, the list building training, and when you click on that, it is going to take you, just watch these videos, it'll take you through the process, and then when you get to the last video, go ahead and purchase your magic link for $47 so you can get the training on how to get that set up, and you can get 100 bonus clicks included to go ahead and start earning commissions off that magic link. So I hope you found this helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, the text number up above is a real number. You can text me any questions you have. I do respond to those. I'm happy to respond, or certainly leave me messages or comments down below under the video, and I'll reply there as well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Go and start your OLSP Academy free account by clicking the link below and opting in, and then jump right into that list building training and get started with email marketing, list building, and generating commissions. And you can literally have this done in just a matter of a few hours and start earning commissions right away. Thanks again.